Hi friends, welcome to the course Hands-on Machine Learning with Python. I am Sudesh Singhal, your coach for this course. I completed my masters from IIT Bombay in 2015. In my masters, I secured department rank 2. After my masters, I joined multiple technology companies and have a great hands-on technology development experience in topmost tech companies. In addition to that, I am also having years of experience of corporate training. So, whenever we start a course, what's the first question we get in our mind? What will I get from this course? So, once you complete this course, you will be having system ready to work on machine learning. You will also have a good hands-on understanding of Python, how to write Python code. Also, you will be having a great hands-on learning of various machine learning related Python libraries. Once we are comfortable with Python and their different libraries, we will move to machine learning pipeline. What are different components in machine learning pipeline? How we clean the data, how to get the data. Once we clean the data, what are the different factors we need to take care? How we can divide our data in training and test set. Once we have that, which model we should pick and how to pick that model. Once we have model, how to test the accuracy, how to evaluate the model. And once we have the trained model with a good evaluation metrics, how to predict the future values. So we will learn all these components of machine learning pipeline. Then we will have a great hands-on experience of machine learning algorithms. In the end, we will do a case study to apply all the concepts we learned in the course. Okay, great. So once we know what we will get with this course, let's start with the content. So in this course, we will start with machine learning introduction. Then we will set up our environment. We will install Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib libraries and all. And once we have the setup, we will start our hands-on learning of Python. So in this, we will cover Python basics. We will cover data structures in Python. We will cover functions, exception handling, and other topics in Python. Once we have a good hands-on experience on Python basics, we will move to different Python libraries which are very important for machine learning projects. So in Python libraries, we will cover NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Once we have a good hands-on on Python libraries and Python code, we will move to some mathematical concepts of mean, median, and mode, which we mostly use in data cleaning and processing. After that, we will understand how we should deal with outliers. Once we are done with the setup and Python and the basic understanding of mathematics, we will move to machine learning algorithms. In machine learning algorithms, we will understand what is supervised and unsupervised learning. What are the differences in supervised and unsupervised learning? Then we will go in deep dive in supervised learning algorithms. In supervised learning algorithms, there are two main types, classification and regression. So in classification, we will cover decision tree, random forest, support vector machine, and k nearest neighbor, also known as KNN. In regression, we will cover linear regression with single variable and linear regression with multiple variables. So this completes the supervised learning. Once we complete supervised learning, we will move to unsupervised learning and we will understand what exactly is unsupervised learning, how to find out that the problem is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we will learn about clustering, and in clustering, there are multiple algorithms, but in this course, we will cover k-means. And we will also understand the mathematics behind k-means and other algorithms. Once we cover supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms, we will move to recommendation system. Recommendation system is very popular in present time. If you have used Amazon or any shopping site, you should have already heard about recommendation system or recommendations or recommended for you. So we will understand and learn how to design our own recommendation system. In recommendation system, we will cover content-based filtering and collaborative filtering. So once we will cover supervised, unsupervised learning and recommendation system, we will also understand how to evaluate a machine learning model. What are the different matrices to evaluate a model? In this, we will cover accuracy and we will also understand confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is very important and we will see why it is important and how to make the confusion matrix and what are different analytical behavior we understand from this. In confusion matrix, we will learn about precision, recall, accuracy, and also F1 score. Once we complete this, we will move to case study. Great. So now, what's the difference between traditional and machine learning approach? In our traditional approach, if we see, we usually have data and program and we insert it to our computation or to our machine and we get the result. But in machine learning approach, you have data and you have result. You don't write the program or you don't tell the computer what exactly it has to do, and it will automatically finds out the relation from data and result. And for new data, it will predict the output. So what it does when you supply historical data and the result, it will automatically generate a program inside it. We will see what do we mean by this in detail.